Let's look at eating in the past tense. أكلت التفاحة. I ate the apple. أكلت التفاحة. Viewers, read after me. أكلت التفاحة.
It feels good to get the pronunciation right.
Now let's change that action into the present tense. آكل التفاحة. I am eating the apple. آكل التفاحة. Viewers, read after me. آكل التفاحة.
So the prefix changes the timing.
Let's try drinking. شربت الماء. I drank the water. شربت الماء. Viewers, read after me. شربت الماء.
The flow feels very natural this way.
Now let's switch it to the present tense. أشرب الماء. I am drinking the water. أشرب الماء. Viewers, read after me. أشرب الماء.
I can clearly hear the transition now.
Let's move to writing. كتبت الرسالة. I wrote the letter. كتبت الرسالة. Viewers, read after me. كتبت الرسالة.
Got it. What about the present tense for writing? Let's look at it. أكتب الرسالة. I am writing the letter. أكتب الرسالة. Viewers, read after me. أكتب الرسالة. The sound changes perfectly. Hey John, let's check in with everyone watching right here. Look closely at the difference between the past and present forms we just did. Can you spot the exact letter added to the front for the present action? Drop a comment below right now and tell me what that letter is. I'm curious to see who gets it right. Let's keep going. What about reading? Let's look at reading a book in the past tense. قرأت الكتاب. I read the book. قرأت الكتاب. Viewers, read after me. قرأت الكتاب. Clear pronunciation. Now let's make it present. أقرأ الكتاب. I am reading the book. أقرأ الكتاب. Viewers, read after me. أقرأ الكتاب. This makes sentence building much easier. Let's shift to a movement action, going to the market. ذهبت إلى السوق. I went to the market. ذهبت إلى السوق. Viewers, read after me. ذهبت إلى السوق. That is an essential phrase for travel. Now let's transform it so you are going right now. أذهب إلى السوق. I am going to the market. أذهب إلى السوق. Viewers, read after me. أذهب إلى السوق. The rhythm is starting to stick. Let's look at returning. رجعت إلى الفندق. I returned to the hotel. رجعت إلى الفندق. Viewers, read after me. رجعت إلى الفندق. Perfect. Now let's change it to the present tense. أرجع إلى الفندق. I am returning to the hotel. أرجع إلى الفندق. Viewers, read after me. أرجع إلى الفندق. This is incredibly smooth. Let's practice entering a building, like an airport. دخلت المطار. I entered the airport. دخلت المطار. Viewers, read after me. دخلت المطار. Very clear. Let's look at entering in the present tense. أدخل المطار. I am entering the airport. أدخل المطار. Viewers, read after me. أدخل المطار. It clicks automatically now. Let's try leaving a space. خرجت من الغرفة. I left the room. خرجت من الغرفة. Viewers, read after me. خرجت من الغرفة. Got it. Now let's see how it behaves in the present tense. أخرج من الغرفة. I am leaving the room. أخرج من الغرفة. Viewers, read after me. أخرج من الغرفة. This makes perfect sense. Let's look at traveling. سافرت إلى دبي. I traveled to Dubai. سافرت إلى دبي. Viewers, read after me.
سافرت إلى دبي.
A very high-yield verb. Let's shift it to the present tense. أسافر إلى دبي. I am traveling to Dubai. أسافر إلى دبي. Viewers, read after me. أسافر إلى دبي. Wonderful. Let's check our focus here. Viewers, if you want to change the destination from Dubai to Riyadh, how would you write, I am traveling to Riyadh? Drop your translation in the comment box below right now. I love these quick challenges. Let's do another one. Let's try writing transit. ركبت الحافلة. I rode the bus. ركبت الحافلة. Viewers, read after me. ركبت الحافلة. Pronunciation locked in.
Now let's see it in the present tense. أركب الحافلة. I am riding the bus. أركب الحافلة. Viewers, read after me. أركب الحافلة.
The consistency makes it easy to remember.
Let's look at walking. مشيت في الشارع. I walked in the street. مشيت في الشارع. Viewers, read after me. مشيت في الشارع.
Ready for the present form.
Let's look at it. أمشي في الشارع. I am walking in the street. أمشي في الشارع. Viewers, read after me. أمشي في الشارع.
Excellent transition.
Let's look at waking up early. استيقظت مبكرا. I woke up early. استيقظت مبكرا. Viewers, read after me. استيقظت مبكرا.
That is a longer one, but feels natural.
Let's see the present tense. أستيقظ مبكرا. I am waking up early. أستيقظ مبكرا. Viewers, read after me. أستيقظ مبكرا. I completely understand the shift now. Let's look at speaking. تكلمت العربية. I spoke Arabic. تكلمت العربية. Viewers, read after me. تكلمت العربية. My favorite action so far. Now let's say you are doing it right now. أتكلم العربية. I am speaking Arabic. أتكلم العربية. Viewers, read after me. أتكلم العربية. This flows beautifully. Let's try buying an item. اشتريت الهدية. I bought the gift. اشتريت الهدية. Viewers, read after me. اشتريت الهدية. Clear. Let's shift it to the present tense. أشتري الهدية. I am buying the gift. أشتري الهدية. Viewers, read after me. أشتري الهدية. Got it. Let's practice paying money. دفعت الحساب. I paid the bill. دفعت الحساب. Viewers, read after me. دفعت الحساب.
Ready for the next one.
Let's change it to the present tense. أدفع الحساب. I am paying the bill. أدفع الحساب. Viewers, read after me. أدفع الحساب. Unbelievably smooth. Let's test the community again. Viewers, look closely at the prefix patterns we've seen for I am eating, I am drinking, and I am paying. What letter consistently starts these present tense actions when talking about yourself? Write your answer below right now. This is a perfect way to keep everyone tracking their progress. Let's continue. Let's look at working. عملت هنا. I worked here. عملت هنا. Viewers, read after me. عملت هنا. Very practical. Now let's see the present tense. أعمل هنا. I am working here. أعمل هنا. Viewers, read after me. أعمل هنا. Locked in. Let's try hearing a sound. سمعت الصوت. I heard the sound. سمعت الصوت. Viewers, read after me. سمعت الصوت. Clear pronunciation. Let's shift it to the present tense. أسمع الصوت. I am hearing the sound. أسمع الصوت. Viewers, read after me. أسمع الصوت.
The audio mapping is perfectly clear.
Let's look at understanding. فهمت الدرس. I understood the lesson. فهمت الدرس. Viewers, read after me. فهمت الدرس.
I understand this one completely.
Let's change it to the present tense. أفهم الدرس. I am understanding the lesson. أفهم الدرس. Viewers, read after me. أفهم الدرس. Perfect. Let's look at opening a door. فتحت الباب. I opened the door. فتحت الباب. Viewers, read after me. فتحت الباب.
Ready for the last present change.
Let's look at it. أفتح الباب. I am opening the door. أفتح الباب. Viewers, read after me. أفتح الباب.
Incredible.
You did an absolutely incredible job today, John. Now, let's push our viewers with our signature rapid-fire transformation challenge.
Oh, this is the best part. How does it work?
I am going to throw out a random past tense sentence we learned today. Viewers, you have exactly 3 seconds to change it into the present tense out loud before John reveals the correct answer. Let's see who can get a perfect score. First one. شربت الماء.